Like, definitely charm and intimidation. All right. Ladies, let's go. Ooh, this nice. This nice. I need one to lead the tree with me. Oh, what the f I'm doing? Sorry, ladies. Yo! All right, you sniping.
You humans.
Bruh. You could drop your suit
almost more
too.
trouble than you're worth.
Let the hostages go, and maybe you'll live long enough to explain yourself to the council.
It was you. You and your kind are the only reason we're in this position.
What?
Now, if you want your friends to live, I suggest you step aside.
You can go. But this isn't over. I'll find you eventually.
Maybe. But I made sure you won't follow me today. Those charges are still on a timer. Better hurry if you want to save your friends.
He left. Is that all right?
Letting him go was better than the alternative. I thought you were going to stay someplace safe.
There might have been something I could have done to help. I thought I should be here. I know this asteroid better than anyone. You did it. Another hour and our course would have been irreversible. I ran the numbers, Shepard. X-57 would have struck near the capital city, the most densely populated region. But that's not going to happen, thanks to you.
The Alliance has a whole navy full of people like me, waiting to take him down. We'll be watching.
I hope you get good use out of it.
I can't believe you let Balak go. To save us. I half expected you to just let us die. Sacrifice the few for the many.
Then I'd be no better than the Batarians. Besides, Balak won't get away with this. I know who he is now.
Gotta go find that last person, I guess. Communications are down in there.
Shepard, you didn't happen to find any of my engineers, did you?
Yes, all of them. Their bodies, anyway.
Oh. I see. Well then, I guess it's better than not knowing.
Bro. Let me go talk to Space Scum.
Shepard, I'm glad you're here.
Good to see you smiling again, so to speak.
I'm sleeping much better now.
Yeah.
I guess I'm getting used to how quiet your ship is.
Asgard. Utopia. It's one day. All right. I got the water supply stuff. I'll keep an eye on this, make sure we ain't dropping frames. All right. Yep, we got the shotty.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Freeze!
Another one.
Falls dead, riddled with slugs. Must be an alpha male, the pack leader of these feral scavengers. All right, got a power cell. Am I just doing random missions that I should have been did? Walking around with my shotgun. Ow! Bro, it's telling me to go back here, but there is nothing back there. Ah, this was it. This was it. Oh, I detonated. Oh, okay, okay.
Tried to fight it, but it gets in your head. You can't imagine the pain. You're supposed to be their leader. These people trusted me, but I won't. I won't! Oh my God.
I actually liked him, but I did say he ain't gonna make it. Okay, everything past this is just free game. What is that? Oh, what the fuck is that?
All right, we just need to find this creature and determine what it... That is...
We gonna call him
disturbing.
Lieutenant Dan.
That does not look like any plant I've ever seen. This may be problematic.
It's the mother brain. It's the mother brain.
Invaders, your every step is a transgression.
I won't let you keep your thralls. Release them, now!
No more will the Thorian listen to those that scurry. Your lives are short, but have gone on too long. Your blood will feed the ground with new growth.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!
Dormammu, I've come to bargain.
That had the desired effect, I believe.
suppose I should thank you for releasing me.
Is everything all right? Are you hurt?
I am fine, or I will be, in time. My name is Shiala. I served Matriarch Benezia. When she allied herself with Saren, so did I. Benezia foresaw the influence Saren would have. She joined him to guide him down a gentler path. But Saren is compelling. Benezia lost her way.
Are you saying Saren can control minds?
Benezia underestimated Saren, as I did. We came to believe in his cause and his goals. The strength of his influence is troubling.
Asari matriarchs are among the most intelligent and powerful beings in the galaxy. How could one fall under Saren's control?
Saren has a vessel, an enormous warship unlike anything I've ever seen. He calls it Sovereign. It can dominate the minds of his followers.
You got it from Prometheus?
They become indoctrinated to Saren's will. The process is subtle. It can take days, weeks, but in the end, it is absolute. The beacon on Eden Prime gave you visions, but the visions are unclear.
So you knew about all this.
They were meant for a Prothean mind. To truly comprehend them, you must think like a Prothean. Open yourself to the universe, Commander. Embrace eternity.
Your life literally is as valuable as a summer ant. Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose. Kill yourself. I mean that with 100%.
Nope. Don't feel anything. Still don't understand
I have given you the
it.
cipher, just as it was given to Saren. The ancestral memories of the Protheans are part of you now.
Are you all right? What just happened? I saw something. It still didn't make any sense.
You have been given a great gift. The experience of an entire people. It will take time for your mind to process this information.
We should get you back to the ship.
Now that you're free of the Thorian, what are you planning to do next?
If you allow it, I would like to stay here with the colonists. They have suffered greatly, and I played a role in their suffering. I would like to make amends.
The colonists will need all the help they can get. They'll be happy to have you on their side.
You did it. With the Thorian gone, we can start rebuilding for ourselves again. And we're free of Exogeni's threats. We're back to being just a little nowhere colony. Thank you, Commander.
Oh, no problem.
I want to know more about Benezia.
Benezia was greatly respected among our people. A powerful biotic, even for an Asari.
Okay.
She was widely known as a teacher of philosophy and religion.
Gotcha.
She always sought the paths of peace and harmony. She joined with Saren because she hoped to turn him away from his path to destruction.
Instead, she became one of his most powerful allies.
As I mentioned before, Matriarch Benezia underestimated Saren. Be sure you do not make the same mistake.
All right.
Farewell, Shiala.
Farewell, Commander. I wish you well in your hunt.
I will never come back to this butt-fuck ass planet.
Commander, Exogeny should have told us about the Thorian. It would have made your job much easier.
You might have been able to capture it for study instead of destroying it.
The Thorian liked to enslave minds. Anyone who studied it would have ended up as one of its thralls.
At least the colony was saved.
Of course it was saved. Shepard would go to any lengths to help a human colony.
Being human had nothing to do with it. They were in trouble.
But sometimes Spectres have to make sacrifices. I hope you're willing to do that when the time comes.
Sometimes Spectres gotta make sacrifices. I hope you can do. Boy, fuck y'all. I sacrifice y'all. How about that?
Hey, Commander, next time we touch down, let's try not to park the ship in a colony of mutant zombies. Just thinking out loud here.